to round two, the best tool for staying connected with students during distance learning. Take it away, Darren.
This is really cool, and all of your students can use it. So I'm going to click on New Class. I'm going to enter my name. That's Joe Exotic. I'm going to create a class. That gives me a class code, and my students can use that code to join my class. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my instructions in here. I'm going to use a text box. I'm going to say, "Hi all, please draw a self-portrait." That's going to send out to all of my students, and I can see their boards here. Now I'm going to be able to see all of their boards, but the students can't see each other.
Thank you very much, Darren. Next up, take it away, Paige.
All right, so this is Basecamp, and this is a great way to stay connected with all your students when working on a big project. When you create a project in Basecamp, your campsite will have several areas that your students can access. You can create a schedule for your project in the scheduling area, create a to-do list as well. All documents and files for the project can be stored in one area. There's a message board and a campfire for informal conversation, and you can create automatic check-ins as well. When there's activity on Basecamp, all active members will be notified, and if anyone joins the project later, they have everything archived there so that they can catch up on what they need to do. Participants can download the app on their phone as well, so wherever they are, they can be notified of activity on their project. It's a great way to communicate with the team when working on large-scale stuff.
Thank you very much, Paige. Next up, it's Stephanie.
All right, so I love Google Sheets. I'm pretty much addicted to them. It's one of my favorite G Suite tools. And so what we've done for distance learning, we use this without distance learning too, is we've taken this Google Sheet. Yes, there is a template and you do not have to do all this hard work. I already did it for you. So hopefully that wins me some extra votes. And what it has is it has conditional formatting, and students are the owners of their row. And if you have a student that likes to mess with other students' rows, you can protect it and lock them in. As you can see, they are dropping down and it's changing colors. The red means that the students need help from their teacher. The orange means they need a check, so they need your feedback. The green means that they're good. Over along the side, under the different tasks that they have, it's going to change colors to red or blue. Or no, green means they are finished, and then blue means they are still working. And then you can see where every single student is. Again, I will be sharing this template out.
Just getting in there, Stephanie. Next up, we got Karen.
When starting class, you're going to ask students, how are you doing? You're going to get the generic fine. Okay, good. None of those actually tell you how students are doing. So let's spice this up a bit. First thing to consider, ideas. Try to choose things that are relevant to students or relevant to their lives, or better yet, let them come up with their own. Next, think of a range of emotions. Generally, you're going to use about 9. These are some of the top 8. However, you can see I've added the other emotion kids are probably feeling during this time. Next, you're going to go to the template. I recommend setting it at a 75% scale. You're going to double click on the image icon, choose replace image, go to the internet where you found the image that you like the best, right click on it and choose copy image address. Come back, choose add by URL, then choose paste. Paste it in there. Once you see the image, make sure to click select, choose save and close, and now you have image number 1 of your scale.
Thank you very much, Karen. Emma, take it away.
Okay, first of all, I love the on the scale of, that's probably my vote. Like Abid said, I'm a hybrid school teacher, so I'm used to teaching online over Google Meet. I love teaching online over Google Meet, but the problem is it's really hard to have conversation with students, especially with big groups. It's hard to know who wants to talk when. So I've developed a system for small group activities on Google Meet. It's really simple. I create a Google Doc and I hyperlink different Google Meet links for each group. I create a collaborative document like a Google Doc or a Google slide deck for the students to all work on together. And then I give the group names within that doc as well. So while we're in class, when it's time to do small group work, I share that out with the students. They go into small group meeting rooms. And as a teacher, I just click in and out of those meeting rooms to answer questions and help out with their work. The link to my blog post all about how to do this is linked to my slide, and that is small groups in Google Meet.
Thank you very much, Emma. Take it away, Cara.
Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. If you're going to have a connection with your students during remote learning, you have to see all of their beautiful faces. So why not check out Flipgrid? Flipgrid is an amazing tool. You have pretty much unlimited ideas that you can use with it. Check out their Disco library on their website and see all of the ideas from around the world of how people are using it. It works across so many different platforms, so you don't have to worry about what kind of device your student is using. They'll probably be able to access it. So check out Flipgrid, and big shout out to one of our tech coaches from Jersey who created the Flip Hunt. So if you are looking for some ideas of how to use Flipgrid with your students, check out the Flip Hunt, where you could do a really fun virtual scavenger hunt. And I have 2 seconds left, and that's it. So definitely check out Flipgrid. Oh.
Thank you very much, Cara. Man, what a round. Please add to the chat, folks. Tell us, how are you staying connected with your students? That's the end of round 2. Please pop back to the voting page. Click on the vote form. Click on the form for round 2 and vote for your favorite. And we'll be right back after these short messages.